Hello, welcome to my channel Amir Khan Technopoint, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your LinkedIn account. Yes, you heard it very clearly, how to recover your permanently restricted account. So these are the steps you can follow. I will show you how to do it. What are the procedures you must follow to successfully get unrestricted your account. So according to my experience, my ID also got restricted permanently, where I was having 500 plus connections and like a 5 plus experience in that. So like it takes more time to build that in order to do that. So I will show you the procedure how to do this. It take times, but you will get your account with you again unrestricted. uh, so get to start.
This is our desktop and I'm going to show you how to recover your account. Follow these steps to get your account recovered or get access to it. So first of all, I will show you some screenshots about how I got to verify my identity. So I will show you you can see what has been written. Your account has been restricted. And why did this happen? We have placed a restriction on your account because we detected behavior that appears to violate our terms of service. For more details of the kinds of behavior that can result in restriction, refer to the do's and don'ts section of our user agreement. So this is the steps we can follow to get our account recovered, verifying your account and getting the identity manually through Aadhaar card and PAN card. And if you have with you, so you can get access to it easily. So through these steps you can 100% get your account recovered and you can gain access to it very easily. And so using this, you just have to upload your documents like Aadhaar card and PAN card through verifying your identity in a clear picture that it can be clearly visible and readable by the documents uploaded to the LinkedIn server. So after submitting those documents to it, you will get an email whatever you will get, like if it's fail or it gets succeeded. And if it's fail, you will get that the documents you have been uploaded, it's not clearly visible, or re-upload or re-verify your identity through uploading the documents again. So first of all, try with your Aadhaar card backside and front side of it, with a clearly visible photo and a readable barcode, as well as everything you will mention there. And after succeeding or everything you done with your side, while verify the documents and uploadation, you will get an email where everything is mentioned if it's failed or succeeded. And the one I have got from my side is I will show you. So you can see here Zaid Khan reference number, my status close. Hi Zaid, thanks for contacting us, and as a one-time courtesy, I have removed the restriction from your account. Your unusually high traffic volumes may be generated by third-party application or browser extension that interact with LinkedIn in violation of LinkedIn's user agreement and professional community policies. If you use any such software, we recommend disabling it. So guys, using a VPN, using extension can result in a permanently restriction of your account. You can use for your personal use, accessing to any website, but don't use for any LinkedIn server while generating fake connections or anything else through LinkedIn. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it's get successful, or if you find this video informative, make sure you subscribe to my channel and visit my blog for further details. And as a one-time proof, I'm showing you how I recover my account, LinkedIn account. So as you can see, this is my LinkedIn account. You can see there is a 500 plus connection and some of my experience you can see. So guys, I understand this profile you might be seem very quite easy, but it takes more time to gain experience and to upload experience and to make connection through it. So there are some conversations that we talk to the HR as well, through the recruiters or the recruiter management, sometimes with clients, because LinkedIn is a site where we upload our CV, and it is called as a digital resume, where we uploads our information. So from the other side we get any response through it. So I hope you enjoy this video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and visit my blog for further details. Thank you so much and have a great day.